Wherever we can avoid putting people at risk on site, we will. So traditionally, in order to gather all this information, a geologist would go out on site with a compass and measure the angle and the orientation of every defect or joint in the rock mass. So the risks that geologists face when they go on site are quite significant in terms of rockfall and debris and so on falling down on them. And this was the main inspiration for developing the software. Aurecon's developed the new digital rock mass mapping tool from drone photogrammetry. It's going to assist the geologist to complete the data capture much more accurately and much more safely. The software uses drones to take the digital photographs of the site, which then creates a three-dimensional model. The model is then used as an input to the digital rock mapping program, which uses a series of algorithms to identify the planes and the joints and extract that information from the model. The tool was born out of our work at a site called Dean's Head. Now, Dean's Head suffered badly during the Christchurch earthquakes. It's a large cliff and attached landslide area. The landslide was a big risk at Dean's Head, and as we were working on the site, we needed to manage the safety of the workers. We were flying the sites every week. We were comparing movement and monitoring the health and safety on site. The work that we used the drone on we really honed our skills in creating the three-dimensional models. The drone was hugely important and gave us the ability to really accurately map that site.
With the large amount of data we can capture with drones, we are able to use virtual reality technology and augmented reality headset to create an immersive and educational site induction experience. Traditionally, it was just 2D maps and paper forms, but now it's a 3D visual experience, and we can see significant benefits from this powerful future tool for our clients.
There's many potential developments to use this in other industries in the future. For example, the buildings industry could use it for identifying cracks in building facades in regions of the building they can't actually reach, where if they're high off the ground.